How to change custom HUD on Warface. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change custom HUD on Warface. Changing custom HUD on Warface is quite easy, so without any delay let's start the video. Open Warface and log in. Launch the game and log into your account if required. Go to the setting menu. From the main menu, navigate to the setting or option menu, usually represented by a gear icon. Select the HUD or interface setting. Look for a tab labeled HUD interface or display. This section allows you to customize various elements of game's HUD. Customize HUD elements. Adjust different HUD elements such as the minimap, health bar, crosshair or weapon information. And some options may allow you to change the sizes, position, capacity or color of HUD components. Apply and save changes. After making your desired changes, click on apply or save to update the setting. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.